फ्लावर्स का अब पाउडर बना हुआ देहात है.
This facility was designed around the production flow.
And the precise daylight control ensures the quality of our pigments from the very start. Workers explain how certified raw pigments arrive sealed and logged.
Each barrel is meticulously tracked. This ultramarine blue, for example, has a specific batch number tied to its origin.
Workers explain preparation before sorting begins. The automated system precisely separates the pigments.
This allows us to remove any oversized or contaminated parts. We carefully control the particle size here. This sieving is crucial for achieving that
Our quality control standards are incredibly strict.
If the color saturation is not absolutely perfect, the entire batch is rejected.
The pigment undergoes several washes to ensure maximum purity. We monitor the pressure closely here. Here we utilize reverse osmosis and UV sterilization.
This guarantees the highest level of water purity for our luxury pigments.
We carefully monitor the moisture removal process before these pigments are moved on for blending.
After drying, we perform rigorous consistency checks to ensure the pigment meets our luxury standards.
Precision weighing is absolutely crucial here. Even a single milligram difference can alter the final color of the luxury product.
We maintain very strict tolerance limits here. The precision in measuring these pigments is crucial for our luxury cosmetics.
Thanks for rinsing.
We carefully transfer the raw pigments into the vessels.
Okay.
Then the industrial mixers begin the initial. The synchronization sequence ensures perfect consistency across all vats.
We monitor the viscosity levels here to maintain the premium texture.
Here we add the natural waxes. They are essential for providing the lipstick with its structure and ensuring long-lasting stability. The selection of these premium oils is crucial for achieving that perfect glide and the high shine finish our luxury lipsticks are known for.
Achieving this luxury texture requires precise control over the blending time. We monitor the speed constantly.
We have to maintain this exact temperature to ensure the pigments aren't damaged.
Okay. So here we transfer the raw pigments to the refining stage. I see. Ensuring the perfect consistency.
This refining process is critical. The rollers spin precisely to ensure the pigments are evenly dispersed.
The key here is the particle breakdown. The rollers ensure a smooth, luxurious finish.
The base is fully refined and stable. We are ready for the color adjustment now.
Excellent. I'll initiate the matching sequence for this shade.
We carefully explain the color matching process to meet the exact brand standards.
Here in the quality lab, we ensure every pigment meets our rigorous standards before blending. This guarantees the luxury feel our customers expect.
Under the standardized lighting, we ensure perfect shade accuracy. This precision is why our luxury cosmetics meet the highest quality standards.
The spread test shows excellent consistency across the plate.
Yes, the smoothness is exactly what we need for the luxury line.
This sensor ensures the pigments are perfectly stable before we release the batch. And if it flags an issue,
We closely monitor the flow rate here.
ensuring the molds are filled with absolute precision is key to the luxury finish.
See how consistent the shape is. Go to that. Straight.
It's perfect. The cooling process is stable.
We regulate the temperature here very carefully to ensure quality.
Yes, the system keeps the gradient stable within 1/10 of a degree Celsius.
As you can see, the machine precisely controls the ejection.
This ensures the pigments remain perfectly set for our $85 luxury line.
The key to the luxury finish is the precision buffing. We use a microabrasive compound.
It really brings out.
We use a specialized heated dye to stamp the logo directly onto the pigment, guaranteeing flawless application.
Quality control is paramount.
We look closely for any inconsistencies, particularly these hairline fractures on the casing.
To ensure the luxury feel, every component is scrutinized. This robotic arm removes any lipstick that doesn't meet our strict quality standards.
We meticulously track each bullet to the assembly point.
Yeah, then our automated systems carefully insert them into the luxury.
The weight and the finish on this batch are exceptional.
Yes, the milling on the outer casing is flawless.
Our automated machines ensure flawless assembly precision, handling up to 85 luxury cases per minute.
We test every single mechanism multiple times to ensure the smooth, precise application our customers expect from a luxury product.
So here at the final quality control stage, we look for very specific criteria.
Exactly. The pigment must be flawless.
Every single batch of raw pigment is scanned and logged into our central database, ensuring complete traceability from
collection. From the moment the raw pigments arrive, we focus on luxury. The packaging design incorporates fine gold accents and
this is where the raw pigments meet the luxury casing. The automation ensures flawless insertion.
As you can see, the machine applies the seal precisely. We check every 10th box to guarantee the integrity. The rub arms ensure precise placement on the pallets. And the AGV system tracks every single box in real time.
Welcome to the core of our operation. Every pigment here is stored under strict climate control.
This batch code confirms the raw pigments arrived last week.
Yes, cross-reference with the master schedule on the tablet. Everything is aligned for the luxury line production.
This shipment of luxury pigments needs to be on the priority truck by 2 p.m. sharp.
Understood. I've allocated Bay 3 for that load.
We ship these luxury lipsticks worldwide, ensuring our products reach markets in Asia and Europe simultaneously.
Male workers conclude the full premium lipstick production process.